Hey, what's up? I'm Jake, and this is Tuning to Wellness. I'm using guitar to reduce stress, anxiety, recover from trauma, and I'm also using it as my meditation tool. It works like a charm. I'm using the G chord and the C chord, and look at the way I'm setting up my G chord. If you were like my student and you had to do exactly as I say, I would say, start like this, as far as your G chord goes. I realize many people were taught like this. For this technique, I like using this because it just gives me so much more freedom to do the other things that I do with this channel and with this strategy. So we're going to tie breath work in with 2 chords, and it's not what you think. So hang in here and I'll show you what I mean. When I start the progression, I inhale through the nose, and this will take approximately 5 minutes. But we're going to just transition between the 2 chords while breathing. But here is the special sauce. I'm going to use my thumb for the bass note on the G chord. And I'm going to use my index finger as percussion, or on the E. It's E, F, G. Okay, so it's G and G. And I'm going to just set up a rhythm while breathing. Boom, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch. And here's where the magic happens. I'm going to start on the G, and if you're a musician and you're aware of timing, 4/4 timing, you're going to sense a change. Don't change. You're going to stay with the same pattern on the same notes in the same position at that moment when you want to change to the C, but don't. The reason is because when you get tempted to get out of the discomfort and you stay with it, it's kind of like weightlifting when your muscles are burning, but you do like 3 more reps. It's like pushing yourself just a little bit further. So when I first started meditating, 3 minutes was a long time. Very uncomfortable. Now sometimes, I wish I had more time because it feels good. And I know there's a reward at the other end of it, or else I wouldn't do it. All right, so let's get into the technique. Here we go. Nope, don't change. Tempting to change. Don't change. Stay there for now. Breathe. Everything's going to be okay. Breathe. Focus on the inhale and let the exhale just happen. Now let's switch. Easy and so rewarding. You can determine when you're going to switch or not switch. Basically what I'm doing with the G by not switching is building up tension and conditioning my meditation muscle, if you will. When I broke through and kind of like dumped the anxiety, the euphoria and the bliss, it was just undescribable. A weight gets lifted. Oh, the excitement is I know I'm a pretty calm dude, but the excitement inside is like I'm ready to burst. Because there's a different way, you know, there's a better way of living, of existing, which I was totally unaware of. So anyway, I hope that's helpful for you. You just got to stay with it. That's the rub. You got to come back, and you got to do this consistently, even for a couple minutes per day. And maybe ask for help if you need it. I mean, just ask out loud, like right now. You know, hey, could I have some help? And you'd be surprised at the signs you might see or the coincidences you might experience. If that's too weird for you, then just subscribe and come back often. And, you know, stick with the mechanical stuff if the spiritual stuff is a little too far out for you. And by mechanical stuff, work on this G position because you'll be grateful later on because you can do much more with it as far as I'm concerned. All right, thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next one.